everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope you're all enjoying your 2022 so far. It is January, which also means it's one of the snowiest months of the year. So to have a fun snow day treat, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create snowball cookies, or as they're also called, Russian tea cookies. The original recipe does call for nuts, but if you have any nut allergies, you can easily remove them from the recipe and enjoy as well. I want to let you guys know that also this video will be the last time I will be filming an intro and outro video in this apartment. Unfortunately, my Disney college program is coming to an end. I'm very bummed that it's ending very soon. Probably by the time this video is up on YouTube, I'm probably back home. But I've loved the memories I've made, the work experience I've had, and the amazing cast members that are now my dearest friends. I love you all so much. I will come and visit. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button so you know what's coming up next on this channel. So let's have some snowy fun, put on our chef's coats, and let's get baking. To make these snowball cookies, you'll need 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 2/3 cups of powdered sugar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of finely chopped pecans, which are optional if you don't want them in your cookies or have any nut allergies, and 1 cup of powdered sugar for rolling. In an electric mixer, beat together the butter, powdered sugar, and vanilla until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, add the flour and salt and mix until combined. This is when you can add the pecans. Scoop and roll the dough into balls and place them on a baking sheet. Place the cookies into the fridge to chill for about 30 to 45 minutes. When they're done chilling, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the cookies for 12 to 14 minutes or until lightly golden. Once they're all done, let them cool enough to handle, roll them in powdered sugar, and place them on a wire rack to cool completely. This is definitely the fun, messy part of making these cookies. Roll the cookies in the powdered sugar one last time, and now you're ready to serve delicious snowball cookies for any snowy day. And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification button so you know what the next video is. Also, share this video with friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. These snowball cookies were so much fun to make. They're simple, they're sweet, they make a little bit of a mess, but that's all in the fun of baking. I'm so excited for 2022. I have a couple recipes in mind for the next few months and I'm so excited to share with you all. If any of you recreate the snowball cookies or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. Hope everyone is staying safe and well, enjoy your snowball cookies, and have a happy winter. Bye!